and Josiah, and we're installing Mr. Cool's DIY mini splits. Come along. All right, we have to get through plaster, brick, chicken wire, stucco. Let's go. We started in the kitchen, which will get a wall unit. We had to go through several layers of brick and plaster, but once we made it to the other side, this unit was a breeze to install. Hello. Let's see if we're level. We're installing 4 heads total, 2 wall units downstairs and 2 ceiling cassettes upstairs. Now that we have the kitchen unit up, let's work on the living room. This is going to be another wall unit. Since this is an internal wall, we're feeding these lines into the basement so that we can feed them all the way through the crawl space and outside. And then we have to change out our wire because our line is longer. They're pretty cool. We'll add those in. It looks good. Now we're headed upstairs to install the 2 ceiling cassettes. Okay, I'm getting ready to cut the hole in the ceiling. So this is the ceiling cassette. Got it cut out. It is cutting the holes to the outside. Josiah cut the holes into here, which is very difficult. Look how tight this is. Oh my gosh.
I'm off to war.
Rolling it out. These lines all the way through here, through here, through here, through here, into here. Just hung this pipe.
Alright, so you're about to hang this up. To wire it, they're pretty easily numbered.
After we prepped the unit, we hung it up using provided lag bolts. It looks great. Now testing for leaks. In there. Oh dear. Go Josiah, go. Go Josiah, go.
Cool.
Connecting the lines up there. Got it. Done. I'm screwing these on. Here's our finished guards.
That's some mighty fine work.
All right, he's loosening each little knob. The kitchen one. So warm. So pretty.